I did something. And now what you thinking? Girl, you always doing something. Sit down. Pause. Gonna benefit me and you, so you can't be mad. Be glad that your girl is putting you on. I'm so excited. I got all these. I'm really an Amazon girly when it comes to heels. Y'all know these shoes that were like trendy like a year ago? These, but they look so much better in the box than actually on my foot. Man, every single color they had, I got. Look. And guess how much they were? $12.97. I'm telling you, go to your local wholesale shoe store. If it's open to the public, go. They had these in this color and they had them in mustard. Oh my gosh. These right here are everything. These, I worn these, I love these. I got more. Let me tell you, you are about to be shook when I open this box. You're like, Alyssia, what the fuck are those? Bitch, let me show you. These is, we tiptoeing around. These is money talk. This is that, girl. I kid you not. If these are not the firiest shit that you've ever seen, I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, those are so cute. Do they have them in another color? Oh my God. Now look, I'm not a girly that goes outside a lot, but with these, I'm about to be outside all summer, okay? Bye.